Okay, let's throw this over there. Take this off. This was a B.C.Rich Mockingbird. I believe it was a 2005 Mockingbird, M'bird, red. It was too tight up here in the horn. Hold on. It was too tight up here in the horn. So I cut the wings off the body because it's easy to cut, and I used a tree that fell in a hurricane, loblolly pine. I since then also set the neck. But you can see the lines where I cut it and did it. This is one of my earliest. This is probably 10 years ago I did this. I actually cut. See that part of my hand right next to the cross? That is a scar there. Looks like an ear almost next to the cross towards the thumb on there. Anyway, yeah, I did that on the bandsaw at a neighbor's. Anyway, left the neck mostly the same, kind of sanded it a bit, set that in, and I played this for a while, although, it's not my favorite, but it's 24 frets, and it's easy to make an Explorer shape. Really narrow there, and I left it alone. It was just something that I played and something I did, and here, I show you. Here, watch. You watch, I show you. Shut up, you fool. Where the hell's the... Lost the pick. Give me another pick. I get my own picks. I get them made at, this thing's over there somewhere. It's, what is it? In Tune Guitar Picks. That's my own custom design. EMG OC1 bridge. And I believe that's a pickup out of my 89 Fender Heavy Metal Strat. So it's DiMarzio Super 2, I believe.